Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to film a junk case video. You guys know I love a good junk case. Here I have one on my phone currently. This is one of the ones that I made myself. You guys go check that video out on my channel. But today I'm here to do another junk case. I don't have any direction, so I'm just kind of like gonna create and see where I go. I just want to make a new junk case. I haven't made one in quite some time. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing me make a junk case, stay tuned. All of the products that I use will be linked down in the description box. I also have a video on my channel explaining all of my products and where I get my products from, so I'll make sure to link that as well. It probably will be in the tagged cards, or it will either be in the description box, or you guys probably will see that at the end of the video on the screen. So you guys, it's somewhere where you guys will be able to find the video and watch, you know, get familiar with my game, okay? But yeah, I love to make junk cases. I love to create stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So if you're interested in watching me make a junk case, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at The Girl With A Flower Name, and share this video to who you feel like will benefit. And I want to thank you guys for being here, and I want to thank you guys for supporting me. So let's get into making this junk case. Okay, so first things first, I start off with a case. I get them from Five Below if I can find them. I don't know if the tariffs is affecting Five Below, but my Five Belows are completely empty. And I think the cases have went up. They went from being $5.55 to now they're like $7. So yeah, it's really hard for me to find cases, but I get my cases from Five Below. I've stated that in my other videos. So I'm just gonna start off with this case. I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can see me get into the nitty gritty. You guys are gonna see my table and watch me really get into it. Yeah, let's flip the camera and I'll see you guys when I have it finished cased. Let's go.
Yeah, said I was finished, but I want another 2 summers. Hall of Famer hungrier than all the newcomers. Niggas swear they compare, but the truth humble. They get fucked 112, you couldn't do numbers. They tell the label I got A's all throughout mad. That mean I'm keen on the numbers and I count fast. You know it's money that you owe me, niggas phony. And I'm white Queen Phoenix, walk the line, I'm about cash. Benjamin Button getting younger as the hours pass. Shit through the freshman cover twice, I'm never outclassed. It's not a rap nigga breathing that can outlast. The fall off is like hole dropping reasonable doubt last. We from the south where we learn all about stash. And when niggas prone to shoot first and run their mouth last. And if you run your mouth, bitch, you going outside. Whole click getting slid on, you a mouse pad. I'm the one that niggas fear on the low ski. Heard her talking like we peers, but they grossly mistaken. And it's blatant, crocodile tears. Niggas know I'm on a tier that they don't see. My dogs only shed tears and emojis. We in another hemisphere splitting proceeds. How dare a nigga rub his hands on this trophy? I vividly remember who was there. Niggas hit my line when they want something. As a dub, it ain't love if it costs something. Niggas hit my phone up when they need something. I can't recall a time when you gave me something. Chopped off the top, nigga, I achieved something. Drop down, bitch, let me see something. Niggas hit my phone up when they need something. I can't recall a time when you gave me something.
Okay guys, I'm back. My camera died throughout the process and everything, but I tried to show you guys as much as I could. So this is the finished product. I put it on my phone. It looks like it says Heaven Fab. I have the hello up here. I love like pastel colors and stuff like that. This is the old one I had on my phone, but I love a good like pastel color and stuff like that. So this is currently what I have. All my charms, like I said, I have a video breaking down where I got my charms from, my products, all the FAQs. I will be linking that somewhere. The description box, you can check the cards, or you can check the end of the video, or I will have it there. But yeah, I love making junk cases. It's so fun. So this is what it looks like. This is the finished product though. It's cute little case. Yeah, that's it. That's all. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm hot, my back hurt, I've been bent over, you know, putting all the little trinkets on the phone case, so my back is killing me. I'm tired. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.